If you are 34 years old and you have lost this much of hair right from the front towards the vertex, but you still have hair in between in the frontal area, then it is called persistent forelock. Persistent means it is there. Forelock means this lock of hair is still present though you have lost a lot of hair at the back. In these cases, we usually have patients for consultation who have gone to stage 4, reaching 5 or even 6. Why? Because they have hair here, they keep on combing that, and when they look in the mirror, it doesn't feel very bad. Unless somebody says that, see, you have lost a lot of hair. They say, okay, yes, it is from both the sides. They tell, no, it is actually back also. So this persistent forelock usually delays the presentation of patient to the consultation chamber. Let us discuss this case study today. Do press the like button and subscribe for more such testimonial and educational videos. Hi, my name is Dr. Preeti Saraswat. I'm an American board certified hair transplant surgeon. The very first thing, as we do always, when he presented to us was trichoscopy. Trichoscopy showed that the density of hair at the donor site was around 86 grafts per centimeter square, and the average diameter of hair was 0.08 millimeters. So while planning the hair transplant, we divided the recipient area into two parts. One was front, so this part, which included the persistent forelock, and the other was mid-scalp. Why? Because we wanted to give more density in the front and a bit lesser density at the back, because this guy had a strong family history of male pattern baldness. So in all probabilities, later in life, he was bound to go towards grade 7 if he did not take proper medication, and sometimes even after medication, people tend to lose so much hair. Right now, you are seeing all the trichoscopic findings on your screen. In the front, we gave the density of 35 per centimeter square and 25 per centimeter in the middle section. One more great thing he did was he used the PeekAI feature of Saraswat Hospital App. So he sent his pictures to the PeekAI app and he received his probable results even before undergoing surgery in around 24 to 48 hours. These were his probable results. So later on you will see how his actual results were. Then you can compare. After making use of PeekAI app, we did a hair transplant for him. Now on your screen you can see his pictures from the day of surgery till 5 months after surgery. If you have any questions regarding your hair transplant, you can drop a comment in the comment section below. Whenever you undergo hair transplant surgery, make sure that that place and the doctor do follow all the safety protocols. Do share this video with somebody who is planning seriously some hair transplant for themselves and they're looking for a good center. If you want to see more of such testimonial videos, you can click the link on the left. And if you want to see the cost of hair transplant, you can click the link on the right.